T, 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 T.
Tickling Tot's Tales Treasury, created by Lena Heron. Scene 1. Finn's Solitude. A large shark named Finn swam through the coral forest. He was always alone.
Why is everyone so afraid of me? I just want to have friends.
Scene 2. The Fish's Caution. Near a cluster of coral, small fish had gathered. When Finn smiled and spoke to them, the fish flinched in fear.
Hey there. Are you playing here too?
That shark is coming toward us. Quick, hide. Don't come closer. You're scary.
Scene 3. Finn's Sigh. Finn swam through the coral, letting out a deep sigh. The same thought always crossed his mind.
Sigh. I just want friends. How can I get along with everyone?
Scene 4. The Seahorse's Trouble. Meanwhile, a seahorse had fallen asleep in a coral crevice. When it woke up, it found itself in an unfamiliar place. It seemed to have been carried away by the current.
Where am I? Oh no. What should I do?
Scene 5. Kindness begins. As the seahorse looked around, a large shark approached.
Hey, are you okay? Is something wrong?
A shark? Well, yes. I'm in trouble.
The seahorse hesitated, but started to explain. Scene 6. The seahorse discovers kindness. Finn listened carefully to the seahorse's story. He then swam with it to the entrance of the coral forest.
It's okay. I'll guide you there.
Really? Thank you. You're not scary at all. Are you?
Scene 7. The starfish notices kindness. From atop the coral, a starfish watched Finn closely. He didn't seem like the scary shark it had imagined.
Huh? I thought sharks were scarier. But he seemed so kind.
Scene 8. The starfish spreads the news. The starfish shared the story with other fish.
Finn helped a seahorse. You know, he's a very kind shark.
Really? We were so scared before. But maybe we should try talking to him.
Scene 9. The fish gather courage. It took courage to approach Finn, but the fish decided to speak to him.
Hey, Finn. We want to get to know you better. Would you like to play with us?
Really? Me? Thank you.
Scene 10. Finn's confusion. Finn looked puzzled. The starfish noticed this and quietly approached him.
Hey, Finn. Can I talk to you for a moment?
Huh? You're talking to me?
That's right. I told everyone about how you helped the seahorse. Thanks to that, they found the courage to talk to you.
Scene 11. Laughter fills the water. The fish swam around Finn, laughing as they swam through the coral. Their joy echoed through the water.
Finn, let's swim some more. This is so much fun.
I've never had this much fun. I'll never forget this.
Scene 12. Connected by heart.
Everyone, let's keep playing together. Thank you so much.
Let's make even more wonderful memories together.
Don't judge by appearances. Look at the heart. That's the key to finding true friendship. Thank you for discovering Friendship with Finn.
We hope Finn's journey shows that true friendship begins when we look past appearances and open our hearts. Every act of kindness creates ripples of connection.